So this is a Swift Conqueror 630, going to take you around the caravan. Front locker, you'd have your gas bottles in there normally, and your gas pipe down from the regulator to the gas bottles. Your hitch on the front of the caravan, as you can see, works in a similar way to other caravans. So I'll walk you through that in person when you're here on site. Down this side of the van, you've got your Aldi heating system, flue, as you can see. You've then got your water pump connection on the outside of the caravan, and your wind down legs. And then you've got your motor movers, which will demonstrate in person on site. Also, we'll torque the wheel nuts before you leave site just to show you they've been done correctly. Grey waste water pipes coming out the side of the caravan. So you put your waste master down the side of the van, and your grey pipes coming out the side and into the waste master itself. And at the back of the caravan, we've got the waste toilet cassette at the bottom. And again, these are very simple to use. Pull the handle up and pull out. You've got the waste neck here, which turns out, as you can see, cap off, and that's where your empty is for the cassette itself. And on the back of the cassette, you've actually got a pressure relief, so you can release the pressure as you're tipping it away. It is on wheels as well. As you can do with this handle, you pop the handle up and pull it towards you, and the handle will come out. Before you use the cassette, you would need to put 1 litre of water in there and a cap full of the blue fluid. The flush tank up the top here takes 3.5 litres of water and a cap full of the pink fluid. You'd fill that up, and we do advise that you drain that before you travel. And just up in the top here, there's a little black pipe you can bring out, and you can empty the water out of there. Back of the caravan, wind down legs at the back of the van in the normal places either side of the van. And you have actually got a bike rack on this particular van. Coming up the side of the van, storage locker for underneath the bed at the rear. Fridge vents on the side of the van, again as you can see just there. We've also then got a 230 volt power socket on the outside of the van, which connects straight to your mains power internally. So that's only when you've got a mains lead in the side of the van, as we have now. You can see connected to the power post on the site. You've then got your 110 amp leisure battery in there as well. On the side of the van, barbecue gas point. There's a little brass fitting that you can buy that connects into place. You push it into the end there and it locks in. You would need to turn this yellow valve round so it's in line with the fitting to allow gas through. Get onto the inside of the caravan. As you can see, fixed French bed layout in this particular van. Just going to turn the radio down. Don't think we need that one. We're doing a video. There we go. Radio off. Very nice van. Above the door, you've got your mains control panel. So you've got power on and off. As you can see, it's a power on. Interior awning light, interior lights, and roof lights. And then you've got your water pump run at the bottom. Water level currently low due to the fact we've got no water in the system. Power off, and then you've got your options for the different battery settings coming through here. Let's go back to the laser charging. There we go. On the screen next to that, you've got your Aldi heating. Power on with the button here on the left hand side at the bottom. Menu, as you can see, or just about see. Top row is your heater setting, so you've got temperature up and temperature down. The one below that, you've got water temperature on and water temperature boost. So as you can see at the moment, the water's off, water boost, water on, and water boost. Now, depending on what caravan site you're on, you'll have 1, 2, or 3 kilowatts of power coming into the caravan. And on this setting here, where it currently says off, you can select the amount of power coming into the caravan. And if you wish to ignite the caravan on gas, you can hit the gas button at the bottom, and that will control the heating and hot water on gas. To turn the control panel off, you simply hit the button, and that turns the control panel off. Cooker and oven and grill work very similar to a household. Igniter on the front, as you can see. Gas run on the end here on the left hand side is for the electric ring at the back. Gas hob, gas hob, I'm sorry, ignore me, grill, oven, hob and hob. Very simple to use. Microwave again, very much like your household standard conventional microwave. That one you may need to read the instructions for because each one is different. The fridge down here, you've got power on. You've got the option to run on gas. Now it is self-igniting on gas, and the blue light that you see here is the pilot light for the gas system. If it fails to ignite, you'll get a red exclamation mark on the right hand side, and it will also flash the gas symbol just here. Flash the gas symbol just here. To control the temperature on gas, you can use the thermometer button just here, and as the lines get taller as you go across the right hand side, or higher should I say, that is the colder the fridge will be. If you're on 240 volt, you can select the plug symbol and the fridge will start chilling on the 240 mains, and again you would use the thermometer button here to control the temperature of the fridge. If you're towing and you want to use the fridge as a cool box, and it is only a cool box, it's not a fridge at that point, you can hit the battery symbol here and that will take the 12 volt supply from the vehicle you are towing with through the caravan, and it will essentially charge the battery at that point on board the van, and it will also make the fridge work as a cool box. As you can see at the moment, it's flashing at me letting me know there's no power connected, and that is a very similar thing to what it would do if there was no gas through to the fridge. The bed lifts up, as I'm sure you can probably imagine, for storage underneath. So you can lift it up from underneath, and you've got your spare wheel underneath, and you've got your pipe work for your Aldi heating system going round, and your water pipes for the caravan also. Into the bathroom. Oh, and the mat doesn't get caught up underneath the door. Into the bathroom. You've got an electric flush on the toilet, and inside the toilet you've got your waste flap in the centre where there's a grey handle underneath which you'll push across to the left hand side, and that will open the waste cassette. If you are emptying the cassette and the toilet is turned at all, it will stop you from removing the cassette from underneath. So if you do need to remove it, you will actually turn the cassette, the toilet to centre, so you can remove the cassette from the toilet locker itself. Taps and shower work very much like your conventional shower once you've got the hot water on. And the radiator in the bathroom also, be very careful of them, they do get very warm when you've got the heating on, as you can probably imagine. So be careful you don't burn yourself on them. Going back out into the main area of the van, as you can see, this van's ready to go, but if you've got any further questions on the Swift Conqueror 630, please do give us a call here at the Caravan Company and we'd be more than happy to help. Thank you very much. Bye bye.